Baby.
Hello and good evening, everyone. Welcome for this gala event today. Good evening. So lovely to meet you all here on the stage. Great. Welcome. Good evening. Hope you all are doing good. Amazing. All right. And please keep your cameras on. Let's make it a great event. I want to see all the beautiful faces here, and it's a celebration time, surprise time. So let us keep our cameras all on. Wow, great. Lovely to see you all. And it is so nice to see so many of you joining, and it is making this event so lovely, so lovely. Wow, great. Welcome. Good evening. Lovely to meet you all. Thank you. Yes, so I can have a lot of messages in the chat box. So we'll interact through chat box and we'll have great fun. Radhe, 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 Radhe. Okay. So let me welcome my lovely co-host also. So Varsha and Himrashmi ji, good evening, both of you. You can just unmute. Okay. So good evening. Great. So let everyone join in. And it is so lovely to see you all together in one stage. This is the biggest thing, huh? A great event. Radhe, 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 Radhe. And please switch on your cameras too. Let us have a good celebration time. Thank you. All right. As usual, we see your smiling faces now. So एक motivation, inspiration हमें हमेशा आती है. And same is for today also itself. All right. So let me introduce myself. I'm Sakshi Mittal. I'm salsa numerologist, salsa astrologer, and a salsa trainer. Okay. So today is a very special event with lot of excitement and surprises waiting for every one of you. I know you all are excited and for what surprises we are going to give you. So अब surprises हैं तो थोड़ा patience तो रखना ही पड़ेगा. So we have some new members also here. So let me give a small introduction about SOP and about Dr. Sudhir Khullam. So everyone ready? Okay, all right. Great. Let me share the screen with you all. Okay, can you all see the screen? You can show your thumbs up. Great. All right. So SOP. SOP stands for School of Prosperity, which has been started by Dr. Acharya Sudhir Kulamji. It is a registered company to carry out his teaching and various occult science related work. So let's meet Dr. Sudhir Kulam. So one and only the creator of Salsa method of astrology. So meet Dr. Sudhir Kulam. So he's the creator of Salsa Planetary Guidance Card. He's the creator of Astro Salsa Pro Unique Astrology software. And he has trained so many people. He's an international conference trainer, and he has trained more than 2,000 people. So these are some of his creations, his writings. So he is the author of many books. So this is one of the book, one of his creation. It's Money Lessons from Mother Nature. Then he's the author of 3 books. It's Business Lessons, it's Astrology Super Simplified, which has made all our work so easy. So meet him. He loved dogs, but I think more than he loves dogs, dog loves him more. And meet his respected parents and his lovely daughter. So Dr. Sudhir Kulam, he's an entrepreneur, a multitasker. He's a trainer since 2016. The creator of many programs like Business Directions, Intensive, Emotions Mastery, Financial Freedom Intensive, and many more programs. And NLP Master Practitioner. He's an NLP Master Practitioner. And then he is the creator. He loved creative things, and his love for guitar has made him a guitar student, plus also a guitar teacher. So he's a multitasker, a completed artist. And he's a crazy traveler. He loves to travel. And he loves to visit all the spiritual places. He's a crazy traveler. And ये जो आप pictures देख रहे हैं, ये Himalayas की हैं. And he loves to explore new places, new things, which make him actually a crazy traveler. So a crazy learner. He believes in learning. And he has spent more than 45 lakhs invested. He has invested in personal development. So taken loans as well as the same, but now he's in that position. So here are some photographs with these influential people. So with Sidhutai Sapakal, then with Bharat Jadhav, that is a famous Marathi actor, producer. And he is a PhD holder of astrology, and he has given a new revolution in the field of astrology, in a field of occult science. So this is our great Dr. Sudhir Kulamji. All right. So he always say that dreams come true and dream big. So now I would like to share some of my experience with him. Few years back, I was not the same person what I am today. मैं ऐसी नहीं थी. I was also facing a lot of challenges in my life. बहुत सारी problems मेरी life में चल रही थी. And that was the time when I joined SOP. And it was 2021. कि जब हम कहते हैं ना कि आपकी लाइफ में बहुत अंधेरा होता है, तो एक ज्योति की किरण आपको नजर आती है, तो मेरे लिए वो सर थे डॉक्टर सुधीर खुल्लम. He changed my life, he transformed my life. वो ही दिन था जहां पे मुझे पता चल गया था कि I am in the right hands. And just from there, my journey started. And I'm from the very first batch of Salsa Method of Astrology. And I completed all the 6 levels of astrology under his guidance. And उसके बाद जब मेरी journey शुरू हुई, my journey started as a salsa trainer. So वहां पे, and now I'm a salsa trainer, and plus I am also running an office of my own. I'm taking consultations, and I'm doing really good as professional also. And I'm totally transformed into a very positive person, a blessed person, and very confident person. I'm talking in front of you. So जैसे हमारे सुधीर सर हमेशा हमको ये कहते थे कि ड्रीम बिग एंड बी फोकस्ड. सो मेरा मानना है कि ड्रीम्स वो नहीं होते जो हम सोते हुए देखते हैं. ड्रीम्स वो होते हैं जो हम खुली आंखों से देखते हैं, और हम कहते हैं ना कि खुली आंखों से ड्रीम्स देखते हैं, और ऐसे ड्रीम्स हों जो हमें सोने ना दें. तो बस ना दिन देखा, ना रात देखी, ना घड़ी देखी, देखा तो बस वही एक ड्रीम और मेरे सर की दी हुई वो गाइडेंस। सो उस टाइम से था कि आई वॉज रियली वेरी फोकस्ड on my work. So from there, I started my journey as a salsa student, and today I stand before you as one and only the co-creator of salsa numerology. So आज अगर मैं इस मुकाम पे हूँ, and that is only and only because of my guru, Dr. Sudhir Kulam ji, and his guiding hand towards me. जैसे उनका हाथ मुझे मिला था, so my focus, my hard work, my dedication, and my trust on my guru has made my dreams come true. And now I have started my journey towards achieving those goals. So I owe this to you, sir. मैं आप ये सब कुछ है आपको ओ करती हूँ. This new life. I always say मुझे मेरा पहला जन्म मेरी माँ ने दिया है और दूसरा जन्म की मुझे दुनिया कैसे देखनी है वो मुझे सुधीर सर ने ही दी है. And thank you so much for everything. So over to you, Himrashmi ji. So let me welcome you, please. Yes, can you unmute Himrashmi ji? No, just a second.
Thank you, Sakshi ma'am. Thank you so much. And thank you so much. And a very grand welcome to Mitali ma'am and Sudhir sir. And welcome all my friends, my colleagues, my dear friends, ladies and gentlemen. A grand welcome to you all for today's event. Today's event is in a surprise, and as the program progresses, the surprise will unfold you, and it's a really great surprise. Believe it. So, my dear friends, let me have the honor of introducing Mitali ma'am. And it's a blessing. It's a great thing that I got the opportunity to introduce Mitali ma'am. So let me say, Mitali ma'am is can everybody see my screen? Can everybody see my screen? Is it visible? Okay. So Mitali ma'am is a magical healer and also a graphologist. So her academy is MGA, Mitali ma'am's Graphology Academy. She is a double doctorate in handwriting and in chakrahini. Handwriting in general we understand by the word graphology. So she is a doctorate in graphology and as well as in chakrahini. Chakra healing is we have all the 7 chakras, and he is a mastery in that. She is a mastery in that. And she has been training since 2019, but prior to that, she is into the graphology since 2016. So it's a lots of experience starting from prior to that. She has a lots of experience. So she is bringing all this experience with these people. She is a corporate trainer as well. So you can see there are photos and you can see here visuals as well. She is right now building a very good team of graphologists and healers. She has trained more than 15,000 students so far. And the most important thing is she has authored 2 great books. And the miracles, these 2 great miracles are miracles of graphology is one, and the other is the graphology magic. And Mitali ma'am and Sudhir sir came in association with each other in 2019. And since then, they have been working together relentlessly for uplifting the lives, particularly people like me. So I am indebted to Mitali ma'am and Sudhir sir both. They have really helped me a lot. And yes, the most crazy part is that Mitali ma'am is a great foodie, so do I. So I hope everybody will agree or not, I don't know, but Mitali ma'am is a great foodie. And yes, of course, we Indians love tea. So does Vitali, ma'am. And she's a tea crazy. So just can't stop herself about the teas, tasting the teas. She's a proud single mother and she loves meditation. The most important and the very beautiful thing about Mitali ma'am is she loves meditation and continuously does it. And as we go on the slide deeper, we can see the deeper, her in depth in everything. It's meditation, then comes the deep research with the 5 elements. We all know the 5 elements. It's a very one of the most deepest research, deepest form of research she has completed is the 5 elements. And yes, as again we go deeper, you can see she is the spiritual, a great spiritual healer as well. She is a great spiritual healer. In all India today, she is one of the best healer, spiritual healer. And again, as you go deeper, the surprises keep unfolding about Mitali ma'am, that she is a researcher with the symbols. These symbols are the divine symbols. And these symbols can be energized with a great effort, with a tremendous effort and a tremendous amount of meditation and all this. These symbols can be energized. And she has a very deep research with the symbols, divinely symbols. And yes, she is an angelic healer as well. And yes, this is the most beautiful thing. She is the master sweet words practitioner. These are the sweet word practitioners for the Vedic sweet word practices. And yes, this is about the SOP and MGA. So my dear friends, this is about Mitali ma'am. And let me share my association with Mitali ma'am and Sudhir. As Sakshi ma'am has told that she has got introduced to Sudhir sir in 2021. So do I got introduced to the Mitali ma'am for the first time in 2021. I had session with her and a beautiful session. Let me say, before getting introduced to Mitali ma'am, I was directionless. Though I grown up by age, I was confused person. Suppose I meet person X. And that person personality has influenced me a lot, and his decision taking capability, all this influenced me. The next moment, I would be in his shoes and acting as if in a given situation, what that exact person would be deciding, I would be taking that decision. So I was confused totally. So with the man's help, I got introduced to the graphology. She had taken advised me on, and she guided me to Sudhir sir. And my journey with Sudhir sir started with astrology. And I am the one of the very first batch student of Sudhir sir. I completed all the 6 levels, I got the golden certificate. And I have done, learned astrology, salsa astrology. I'm a salsa astrologer. I have done salsa astrology with Sudhir sir. And the destiny has done it that I have to come back. I come back again to Mitali ma'am to understand and to learn about the healing subject. And it's a blessing for me that I've learned so much about the healing, the divine energy, the divine symbols, the chakra activation, cleansing of the chakras and all those things. It's a blessing. I'm enjoying every moment of this spiritual journey along with Mitali ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for such a wonderful thing. And so great. Thank you, sir. Let me welcome Mitali ma'am to the screen. Ma'am.
Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe. So many of you already know me. For some of you, maybe I'm completely a new face. And it's an honor that and it's a really great day for me today. And we can say it's a special day today for me. It's a special day for Dr. Sudhir. And definitely this is a special day for you all. How many of you agree? If you really feel this is a special day, just put it in the chat box, SP for special. Let me know how many of you really excited to know what is special and why this day is very special. Wow, excellent, superb. So many SP. Okay, so thank you so much, Rashmi ji, for such a warm introduction. एक मेरी बहुत बड़ी इंट्रोडक्शन यहाँ पे मैं देना चाहूंगी कि I am also, it is like you all, I was also a Sudhir sir students only a few years back. Okay, so I was also a textile designer. कहाँ पे textile designer and कहाँ पे graphologist, then trainer and then healer and now helping lot of people. ये सब कुछ हुआ because of Sudhir sir's guidance and he really helped me and it's I am really not getting words to say what to say because it's really a pleasure to work with him together and helping a lot of people. And we are so very excited to declare few special announcements on this special day. And so we have two special announcements today. So how many of you are aware what is going to be that? Just let me know in the chat box. How many of you have a little bit idea of what is that today? Okay. Yes, definitely. So first announcement and special celebration is today we have Dr. Sudhir's birthday. Okay, so let's wish him a happy birthday together. So before that, I would like to welcome Dr. Sudhir on the screen.
Hello
sir.
everyone. Thank you, Dr. Mitali, so much. Thank you, Sakshi. Thank you, Varsha. Thank you, Himarashmi. Thank you,
Wish you a very happy
everyone.
birthday, sir. Many
Happy
more
birthday,
happy
sir.
birthday, sir.
Many, many returns of the day.
Radhe Radhe everyone.
Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday,
Happy
sir.
birthday.
Happy
Many
birthday,
more
sir.
happy
Happy
returns of the
birthday.
day.
Radhe Radhe.
Happy birthday,
की
sir.
शुभकामनाएं सर
Happy birthday, sir.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सर
आएगा कंपनी वाला बेटा तब आएगा कंपनी वालों को उनका साथ वैसे ही है।
Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone.
Happy day.
Pushpa sir, happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday, sir.
So
Happy
many of you with videos
अभिनंदन
on.
सर,
क्या
happy
बात
birthday,
है?
sir.
कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. So many of you with your videos on. Huh? That is one of the.
आप
That has to be
आप
one of
हमें
the
120
birthday
साल तक
gifts,
गाइड करते रहो।
right? This has to be one of the gifts for me, right? So many of you with your videos
कल
on.
आएगी आज खत्म।
Okay. Yeah. Go ahead, Dr. Mitali, back to you.
Okay, so once again हमारी तरफ से भी wish you very 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 happy birthday डॉक्टर सुधीर, जियो हजारों साल और ऐसे ही हजारों लोगों को गाइड करते रहो, हमारे जैसे जो रास्ता भटक गए उनको वापस लेते रहो, उनको ट्रेन करो एंड lot of friends who help lot of people and Sakshi is messaging me, ma'am, next is me. Okay, I am going to take the speech. Okay, so Sakshi, over to you.
Thank you, Mitali ma'am. Thank you so much. So the first big news is today is our sir's birthday. So I think everyone, you are excited for that? Excited? So please show your thumbs up. All excited?
Yes.
Wow, great, great, great. Even sir is excited. So, are you excited to give him a lot of wishes on his special day? Yes, all right, all right. So, ladies and gentlemen, now it is time to welcome the star of tonight, Dr. Sudhir Kulam, with a big round of applause.
Wow.
केक लेने गए हैं आप।
What a beautiful cake it is. All his achievements in one place.
So all Soromundan in one cake.
Everything.
Totally solar system here, sir.
Happy birthday to
Sudhir. Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday
to
to
you. Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
happy
happy
birthday,
birthday,
happy birthday,
happy birthday.
Sudhir.
क्या चाहिए तेरे को? पेन चाहिए? ये चाहिए तो ले लो।
Everyone, happy
और चाहिए?
birthday.
चिंगम आएगी वो कुछ नहीं आएगा।
Happy
कुछ नहीं आएगा, वो
birthday,
फिर आएगा।
Sudhir. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Sudhir.
Happy birthday.
अबे खा ले, सारे दिन ड्रिंक कर। दांत तोड़ के बाहर आ जाएंगे सारे।
Okay, thank you so much, all of you. I hope you enjoyed the cake, all of you. Huh? Someone,
Very tasty, sir.
very tasty, no? Someone is typing happy. Yummy it was. Excellent. Okay. Thank you so much for making my birthday special, everyone. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you so much. And actually, there is one more gift you all can give me. Okay. Right. दोगे मुझे? Right. One more gift if I ask. Right. Send your golden certificate ki answer sheets.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
sir.
That is more important to me. Okay.
I got the written birthday gift, no, sir, today.
Yeah, you got the return birthday gift. Yes, yes. You also, got your certificate, golden certificate.
यार लाइफ में फर्स्ट टाइम प्लेनेट्स का टेस्ट मिला।
एंड मिताली मैम ने ये अरेंज करवाया कि कहाँ कहाँ से यहाँ पे भिजवाया एंड आई गॉट
बहुत
इट एंड
अच्छा
इट
था,
वाज
बहुत बढ़िया
सरप्राइज फॉर
था।
मी आल्सो, राइट? सो लॉट ऑफ
बहुत अच्छा
वर्क वाज
बना।
देयर बिहाइंड दैट
और
आल्सो।
जिसने बनाया सर उसको भी थैंक्स, क्योंकि बड़ी मेहनत से बनाई है।
बड़ी मेहनत से बनाया है, सही बात है, एकदम सही बात है। ओके, और जितना हो सके मैंने आप लोगों को भी खिलाने की कोशिश करी है। ओके, देखो ना राहु, देखो कितने लेवल तक पहुंच गया, राइट? ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू एंड थैंक यू सो मच मिताली मैम ऑल्सो। वो मेरे बारे में तारीफ कर रही थी, मैं उनके बारे में तारीफ करूंगा, राइट? शी इज़ वन ऑफ द ब्यूटीफुल सोल्स, राइट? जो यहाँ पे आते हैं, दुनिया में आते हैं, बहुत कम सोल्स ऐसे आते हैं जो सिर्फ लोगों की हेल्प करने के लिए आते हैं, राइट? एंड शी इज़ वन ऑफ देम, राइट? हाँ, ये बात भी सही है, पहले मेरे स्टूडेंट्स थे, लेकिन नाउ शी हैज़ रीच्ड अ लेवल वेयर शी इज़ वर्किंग विद अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल। बहुत लोगों को ग्राफोलॉजी सिखाई है, मेरे ख्याल से 5,000 से ज़्यादा, राइट? लोगों को ग्राफोलॉजी सिखाई है, डबल पीएचडी करी है ग्राफोलॉजी और चक्रास के अंदर, रिसर्च किया हुआ है डीप लेवल पे एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, राइट? और हम हमेशा सोच रहे थे कि कैसे, मतलब और बढ़ाए, मतलब कैसे ये हम जो कर रहे हैं, हम जो हेल्प कर रहे हैं लोगों की, राइट, इसको हम कैसे बढ़ा सके, राइट? और हम बार बार यही सोचते हैं कि जो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, राइट, उनको क्या चाहिए होगा, राइट? उनको क्या पसंद आएगा, उनको कौन सी चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट रहेगा, उनको कौन सी चीज़ में बेनिफिट होगा, मज़ा आएगा, राइट? सो वी कीप ऑन टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स ऑल ऑफ द टाइम, राइट? एंड फिर ऐसे डिस्कशंस में कभी कभी साक्षी जी, वर्षा जी, हिमरश्मि जी, ऑल ऑफ दे ऑल्सो गेट इन्वॉल्व एंड ऑल। सो वी एंडेड अप डिसाइडिंग कि नहीं, कुछ तो एक बड़ा स्टेप लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है, ठीक है? आप सब लोगों के लिए एक बड़ा स्टेप लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है। और वो भी सिखा रही है, 2019 से सिखा रही है, 2016 से सिखा रही है, आई एम सॉरी, राइट? डॉक्टर मिताली जो है, आई एम ऑल्सो टीचिंग, राइट? अराउंड दैट टाइम 2016-17 से सिखा रहा हूँ, राइट? वी हैव ह्यूज कम्युनिटीज, ठीक है? जैसे मेरे ऐप के ऊपर देयर आर मोर देन 10,000 डाउनलोड्स, आई थिंक शी आल्सो हैज़ मोर देन 8,000 और 9,000 people on her app, in her community, and all of that, right? मैं बोला, we are doing something, right? We are doing something very big also. बट कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लगा कि एक स्ट्रक्चर की ज़रूरत है, राइट? एक बेटर चीज़ की ज़रूरत है, जिससे ये सारे जो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो और ज़्यादा अच्छे से बेनिफिट कर पाए, राइट? करेक्ट नो डॉक्टर मिताली? एनीथिंग यू वांट टू ऐड, प्लीज गो अहेड, राइट? जब ये मैं बैकग्राउंड बना रहा हूँ एंड कॉन्टेक्स्ट बना रहा हूँ एंड वी आर गोइंग टू रिवील द बिग news, but before that you want to say something, please go ahead. Okay.
So as I said, I was also a student like you all. तो फिर एक लेवल पे आके ऐसे लगा कि एंड मतलब इनके सामने ही बोल देती हूँ कि मैं इतनी बुरी स्टूडेंट थी एज अ स्टूडेंट। एक तो स्लो लर्नर थी, एक्शन तो एक अमावस को लेती थी तो दूसरा पूनम के दिन लेती थी, ये स्पीड था। ओके, प्रायोरिटी समझ में नहीं आ रही थी, लाइफ पर्पस तो दूर दूर तक पता नहीं था। फिर कुछ सालों बाद ऐसे लगा कि अगर ऐसे स्टूडेंट को सुधार सकते हो तो फिर आपके पास तो काफी अच्छे अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स है, and then we can come together and we can just guide them and we can help them by giving some guidance, because I believe each one of us have some or the other uniqueness, right? Am I right in saying? Okay. So कभी कभी क्या होता है कि जिंदगी में भागते 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 ना हम दूसरे को कॉपी करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि उसके जैसा चाहिए, उसके जैसा बनना है, उसके जैसा होना चाहिए, और उसके जैसा के चक्कर में हमारा क्या यूनिकनेस है, अपना क्या स्पेशल है, वो हम भूल जाते हैं। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू एग्री टू दिस? इट हैपेंस, राइट? सो everyone had something or the unique thing within us, because God has created us. तो ऐसे ही तो किसी को ये भी नहीं बनाया, राइट? सो each one of us has something special. तो whatever special is there within us, उसको embrace करें. So with this thought, we proceed. And Dr. Sudhir, as you all know, that he has a mastermind in marketing and advertising and all. Okay, so he is a special strength in that particular thing. So we decided to go with this. And the further journey, then you only share, Dr. Sudhir.
Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Mittal. So everybody ready? So this is the main news. Okay, this is the main announcement that we wanted to make to every one of you. And हम लोग है ना, मतलब आप सही में आप डेफिनेटली बिलीव करोगे, राइट? 100% मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी आर थिंकिंग अबाउट ऑल ऑफ यू, ठीक है? कि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या बेटर कर सकते हैं, राइट? साक्षी एंड वर्षा विल आल्सो डेफिनेटली एग्री, राइट? कि ऑल द टाइम, राइट? अभी मतलब साक्षी और वर्षा तो खुद भी टीचर्स बन गए, सो दे ऑल्सो नो कि हमारा कल्चर क्या है, हम क्या करते हैं, कौन से डिसीजंस किसके बेस के ऊपर लेते हैं, ये सारी चीजें उनको ऑलरेडी अभी मालूम है। करेक्ट नो साक्षी एंड वर्षा?
Yes, sir. Very much.
Right? So every decision we take, it is based on what our students want, what you want, what they want, right? And how can we make it better and better and better? And content तो है, ठीक है, right? But content is just one aspect of an entire community, always. Yes or no? Right? Teaching is one more aspect, right? There are so many different aspects, right? So we decided to do something big. Okay? We decided to, take some major step. Okay? And let me try to share it with you, right? So earlier, there was only SOP. ठीक है, which is School of Prosperity, जो मैंने कंपनी बनाई थी, right from 2016, ठीक है? And Dr. Mitali had this, right? Mitali's Graphology Academy, correct? Now, SOP and Mitali's Graphology Academy, okay? They are coming together, okay? Right? You can start applauding, okay? You can start, feeling the energy is combining, right? And when SOP plus MGA combines together, ठीक है, right? It gives birth to Om University. Okay, can we hear you, clapping? Can we hear you scream, shout? Can we hear you, enjoying this
That's
moment?
really very
Super,
great.
Wow,
sir.
great.
And a very
Super,
beautiful
great.
name. Very
Congratulations.
beautiful.
Hearty
Nice,
congratulations
sir.
sir, for
बहुत
And
बढ़िया।
celebrate.
Yes, yes.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you so much.
Directly connected to
Congratulations
The
to
name-
all of you.
Congratulations. Happy for you.
The name itself is so very inspiring and very attractive.
Thank you.
Congratulations to both of you,
Congratulations,
sir
sir.
and
सर ले
ma'am.
बेटा,
बहुत
दूसरा
बढ़िया।
बोल ले ले, ये महंगा।
Okay. कैसे लग रहा है लोगो? कैसे लग रहा है उसका branding,
Superb.
right? Okay, so
बढ़िया।
Om
Superb.
University, okay, the name of the next step is called as Om University. ठीक है, और Om, as we know, it is the start of the universe, it is the first sound, right? हम actually सिर्फ Om बोलते हैं, but it is never only Om, it is a, U or M, right? I always teach that, Mitali ji always teaches that, right? Sakshi Varsha always keep teaching that. So it is a, U and M, right? So we created this Om University, right? Which is actually called as Ancient Universal Metaphysics University. Okay,
Oh,
ठीक है, do you like the name? है थोड़ा सा भारी है,
yeah.
right?
हाँ,
लेकिन
जय
भारी
बेटा,
भारी काम करना है तो भारी नाम भी होता होना
तो फिर
चाहिए।
5 का इडली ले चिंगम खा लो।
Correct?
It's as logical as
आइए।
salsa.
Okay, right.
Sir, nice.
Okay. So Ancient Universal Metaphysics University, हम चाहते थे ऐसा कोई नाम मिले जहाँ पे हम मतलब एक तो ट्रेडिशन से भी जुड़े,
हाँ जी।
right? And at the same time modernism से भी जुड़े, right? So we wanted to find that balance. It was very difficult, right? It was very difficult. Actually, हमने हमारा Saturn इतना strong किया. We actually, studied more than 100 names, right, to finalize this one, right? Because we know, because the energy it is carrying, right, it is going to carry all of us a lot ahead, right? That is why it is called as Ancient Universal Metaphysics University. Ancient means what? All kinds of deep sciences जो हमारे भारतवर्ष में develop हुए, right? We are going to, bring them on board, right? We are going to try to preserve the entire authenticity of all the traditional knowledge that is there, right? जितना हो सके, we are going to, preserve वो जैसा था वैसा. At the same time, right, we are going to add our modern thought processes, right? जैसे सालसा में होता है, right? We are going to add our modern, science, right? Now science is also progressing and all of these things, right? We are going to add all of these things ahead on this. ठीक है? So it's called as Ancient Universal Metaphysics University. ठीक है? और aim है definitely global, right? We have to, reach a lot of people, जितना भी हो सके, the entire globe. All right. So इसमें, just to give you a quick overview, right? What is the vision? To awaken the timeless wisdom within every individual, right? Fostering a harmonious world where ancient and universal metaphysical principles guide humanity towards enlightenment and fulfillment, right? एकदम अगर आसान भाषा में अगर बताना है, right, कि अंबानीज ने विजन किया कि हर एक घर में फोन होना चाहिए, करेक्ट? हमने विजन किया कि हर एक घर में एक एस्ट्रोलॉजर, एक न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट, एक ग्राफोलॉजिस्ट, राइट, विद ऑथेंटिक नॉलेज होना चाहिए. क्या लगता है आप लोगों को? सही बात है? यस, राइट, ओके. सो दिस इज आवर विजन, okay, right? And mission is to provide accessible transformation education rooted in ancient wisdom and universal metaphysical teachings, okay, through innovative programs nurturing environments. We empower individuals to explore, understand, and integrate these principles into their lives, right? Fostering personal growth, societal harmony, and global enlightenment, right? इसको भी अगर आसान भाषा में बताना है तो जो behavioral change, राइट, जो हम सिखाते रहते हैं बार बार, राइट, मैं तो बार बार बोलते रहता हूँ, राइट? एस्ट्रोलॉजी क्यों सीखना है, प्लैनेट्स को क्यों सीखना है, क्यों उसके बिहेवियर्स को यूज करो, राइट? मिताली मैम आपको अल्फाबेट सिखाएंगे, राइट? हर एक अल्फाबेट का एक बिहेवियर होता है, right? So, again, it comes down to that only, right? So, it is all about behavioral changes, right? And you change your own life first, and then we will change everybody's life which is around us, all right? So, that is our mission. And overall, क्या क्या मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव्स अपन इस ओम यूनिवर्सिटी के थ्रू हासिल करने वाले हैं? एक तो डीप साइंस स्टडीज, ठीक है? सो वी आर गोइंग टू नॉट ओनली एस्ट्रोलॉजी, नॉट ओनली ग्राफोलॉजी, नॉट ओनली न्यूमरोलॉजी, राइट? Not only these things, but we are also going to add very soon, right? Sciences like Vastu. How many of you, you were really interested in learning Vastu? Also, let me know in the chat box. Right. We are going to include sciences like healing sciences, healing modalities, right? About which I think Dr. Mithali can share a lot more about it, because she is the master of healing modalities. So she could just mention a few names, right, that she is going to introduce to this entire community. So over to you, Dr. Mithali, for this short part.
Thank you, Dr. Sudhir. I'm a shamanic healer. I'm an angel therapist, okay, and pranic healer practitioner, angelic healer. So since I am into different modalities like switch word master, switch word creator, and healing people through switch words, healing people to different Vedic tools. So yes, definitely I can teach these subjects to you all, how to heal yourself, how to heal others while healing, how to protect ourselves. Okay. कभी कभी होता है कि maybe many of you might be healers already. So कभी कभी while healing others it happens कि हमें ही असर हो जाता है. So it is very necessary to be protective. Okay, we are also humans, so how to be emotionally detached with the client and connected at the same time while healing. Okay, so there are different some basic things, some major things are there to learn. So healing and talking about energy is learning about energies. It's completely a different awesome. So बहुत मजा आएगा ये सिखाने में, और बहुत मजा आएगा ये सीखने में भी डेफिनेटली. सो दिस इज अबाउट हीलिंग वर्ल्ड ऑल अबाउट. Okay, over to you, Dr. Sudhir.
Thank you, Dr. Mithali. All right. So, बहुत सारी हीलिंग मोडालिटीज आएंगी, राइट? बहुत सारी अलग अलग टाइप के. Basically, we are creating a university, right? So there are so many subjects, different subjects are there, right? So we are going to include all of them, right? You can also let me know, right? Whether you want to ask me whether sir ये भी subject आएगा क्या, वो भी subject आएगा क्या. अगर ऐसा कोई subject दिमाग में आ रहा है तो let me know in the chat box. Okay. तो जो भी डीप साइंसेस के डोमेन में, राइट, अकल्ट साइंसेस के डोमेन में जो भी सब्जेक्ट्स आएंगे, राइट, वी आर गोइंग टू कवर ऑल ऑफ देम. ठीक है? स्वर विज्ञान ऑल्सो, यस डेफिनेटली, राइट. साइकोलॉजी in terms of nahin, that I don't think will come here. Astral travel definitely yes, right? But psychology element will be there in everything we teach. Correct. If you are teaching even planets, right, definitely it will be there. Okay, watch analysis. Watch analysis तो एकदम आसान वाला टॉपिक है, हो जाए, right? Yes, आकाशिक records, palmistry, yes. Okay. NLP we will not include in this, Girishji, but though it's a very nice idea, but we'll look into it. Okay. So this is there. Let us, moving on. Okay. How many of you agree कि ये सारी चीजें सीखना is one part of the entire story? Correct, no? Right? The second part of the entire story, you need to know how to do business also. How many of you agree? Yes or no? Correct? Yes, everybody is saying yes in the chat box. So see, हम एकदम दिल से चाहते हैं कि आप लोग भी बहुत कमाओ, ठीक है, राइट? एंड बहुत अच्छे से सीखो. यू बिकम द बेस्ट एस्ट्रोलॉजर, यू बिकम द बेस्ट न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट, यू बिकम द बेस्ट टैरो रीडर from here, right? And then you learn the business skills, you learn the business trainings, right? तो जिसमें मार्केटिंग आएगा, right? जिसमें सेल्स आएगा, right? This is a completely different aspect of the entire, industry, correct? And it is very, very important, right? Without you reaching out to a lot of people, लोग कैसे आएंगे अपने पास? Yes or no? Right? Correct, no? साक्षी and वर्षा, मेहनत है ना? हाँ, आपको दिख रहा है ना अभी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, of course.
Okay, you both also can share in between, if you you want to pitch in into something, right? You can do
Sir,
that.
तभी बोला ना दिन देखा ना रात. Ready?
Right. So we are going to include a lot of business trainings also. ठीक है? And business trainings में primarily there will be marketing training, there will be sales training, right? And there will be training for setting up systems also. ठीक है? And this will be focused on our occult practices and our deep science practices. ठीक है? So that you learn business and then you can market yourself, then you can get clients, you can get paid also. And the most important thing is to reach out to a lot of people. Correct? How many of you want to reach out to a lot of people? And how many people you want to reach out to? Let me know in the chat box. Okay. How many people? Let us set a goal. Let us set some, benchmark. Whole India. Very good, Guruji. Excellent. Okay. Unlimited. Okay. Global, huh? Okay. Excellent. Everyone. Okay. So we will start with 10,000 people, then we'll reach to 1 lakh, then we'll reach to 1 crore, and so on and so forth. And how many of you agree? There are a lot of people who need help. Yes or no? राइट? आपकी ही कम्युनिटी में देख लो, राइट? बस थोड़ी सी नजर घुमाओगे, राइट? और ये सारी चीजें आप सीखने के बाद आपकी भी तो नजर चेंज होने वाली है ना. योर पर्सपेक्टिव इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू चेंज, राइट? जस्ट बाय लुकिंग एट पीपल you will understand, अरे this person is stuck in this particular part, this person is stuck in this particular part aspect of their life, right? We get this intuition, no? Right? Immediately we get this intuition because you are getting into energies of so many people. So there is a lot of work outside, lot of work, right? हम सारी community मिलकर भी काम करेंगे ना, still will be, I think, be able to reach only 5% of the people in need, right? इतना सारा काम है बाहर, right? And definitely इतना सारा काम है तो इतनी सारी opportunities भी है. Correct? So we are going to focus on business trainings also. Okay, inside this Om University. Then we are going to also focus on a lot of specific income opportunities for some very special students who are going to, graduate from this Om University. Okay? Just to give you one example, right? Within the next 6 months, okay, अपना खुद का we are going to have a platform for all of you. ठीक है, right? जहाँ पे you will create your profiles. ठीक है, let me stop the screen share. I want to see your faces. Okay. Right? यहाँ पे you will create your own profiles, right? Right? People will rate you. Right? People will give you testimonials, right? Either they will rate you, 4 star out of 5 star or 4.5 stars or 5 star, whatever it is, right? Depending on your performance and all, right? So people will rate you. Your profile will keep gathering experience and experience and experience, and people will approach you with their problems, right? सामने से, right? मतलब some of you, be honest and let me know. आपने खुद को बोला है, right? ये सर, ये मार्केटिंग और सेल्स मेरा काम नहीं, right? I can be the best astrologer I know. I can be the best graphologist I know. I can be the best numerologist I know, right? लेकिन ये मत बोलो सर, राइट? ये मत करने को बोलो, राइट? रीचिंग आउट टू पीपल, ये अपना नेचुरल स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है। मेरे चार्ट में भी लिखा है सर, मार्केटिंग का घर खाली है पूरा। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो यू थिंक लाइक दैट, राइट? Yes, let me know in the chat box, right? So a very dedicated marketing support, right? आप सिर्फ अपना काम करो. Are you understanding? राइट? आप सिर्फ अपना काम करो, और आपका काम कहाँ से शुरू होगा? जो भी अपने सर्टिफिकेशंस है ना, उसको पहले चालू करो, राइट? गोल्डन सर्टिफिकेट, पहले डायमंड सर्टिफिकेट, राइट? डॉक्टर मिताली के भी जो भी सर्टिफिकेशंस रहेंगे, राइट? स्टार्ट कंप्लीटिंग दोज सर्टिफिकेशंस, right? Because once you for example, once you complete the golden certificate, that is when you are eligible for these platforms, right? क्योंकि मुझे भी तो कोई क्राइटेरिया चाहिए ना, मेरे पास भी तो कोई क्राइटेरिया चाहिए कि भाई okay, you have done this much. Understood, right? So we are going to create this entire platform, right? जहाँ पे आपको क्लाइंट्स को ढूंढते जाना नहीं है, राइट? लोग आपके पास ढूंढते आएंगे, आपको ढूंढते आएंगे, राइट? डू यू लाइक द साउंड ऑफ दैट? डू यू लाइक द the feel of that? Let me know, right? So there will be a website, there will be an app, right? Dedicated रहेगा वो सारा चीज. You can also market yourself, you can also share the links and all, right? बाकी लोग भी आएंगे. There will be marketing dedicated to you. मतलब कोई Facebook marketing होगा, Google marketing होगा, राइट? जरूरत पड़ा तो न्यूज़पेपर मार्केटिंग होगा, इवेंट्स होंगे, सो मेनी थिंग्स, राइट, विल हैपन, so that we can drive a lot of traffic to that particular website. ठीक है? And then they will find out you, they'll find you out, and then they'll engage with you for your services, right? एकदम सिंपल मॉडल है, बट काम भी बहुत है, ठीक है? इसलिए 6 महीना तो लगेगा ही लगेगा, ठीक है? एंड जितना प्रैक्टिकल हो सके, जितना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म हम बना सकेंगे, उतना हम बनाएंगे, राइट? और याद रखना, बिल्कुल भी हमें अपने क्लाइंट्स को हम नहीं डराएंगे. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस, राइट? दिस विल बी वन बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन एवरीथिंग दैट वी डू, नो, राइट? करेक्ट, करेक्ट, right? So we are going to do all of these things, right? और हमें बिल्कुल भी डराना नहीं है अपने क्लाइंट्स को, हमें बिल्कुल भी उनको डीमोटिवेट नहीं करना है. जो कोई अपने पास आएगा उसको एकदम मोटिवेशन के साथ, एकदम होप्स के साथ अपने कंसल्टेशन में से उनको हमें बाहर भेजना है, राइट? सो दिस इज हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू वर्क. दिस विल बी वन वेरी बेसिक कोड ऑफ ऑनर, right? कि I will not make anybody fearful, for example, right? होता है ना बाहर, कभी कभी हम जाते तभी, right? So this will be one very big differentiating factor, right, between our platform and anybody else's platform. ठीक है? So we are going to create this platform which will become a very nice income opportunity for all of you, right? Do you feel excited for this? Also type in excited in the chat box. ठीक है? Let me know. ठीक है? तो इस बारे में अगर आप में से कोई ऑलरेडी किसी प्लेटफॉर्म पे काम कर रहा है, राइट? देयर आर मेनी प्लेटफॉर्म्स लाइक दिस, राइट? अगर ऑलरेडी किसी प्लेटफॉर्म पे काम कर रहा है, प्लीज डू गेट इन टच विथ मी, राइट? क्योंकि मुझे आपसे कुछ फीडबैक्स लेने होंगे, राइट? आई विल हैव टू लर्न फ्रॉम यू ऑल्सो, राइट? कि हम क्या बेटर कर सकते हैं, क्या बेहतर कर सकते हैं अपनी कम्युनिटी के लिए, ठीक है? सो दिस इज वन प्लेटफॉर्म, ठीक है? There are going to be many other platforms, right? So for example, other platform is coming ahead and working very hard for 1.5 year and then teaching with me, right? Or teaching with Dr. Mitali, right? जैसे अभी साक्षी जी and Varsha ji is doing, correct, right? But that route is a bit longer route. It is a very rewarding route, ठीक है? Right? But it is a very longer route, correct? No, Sakshi? राइट? क्या क्या मेहनत करी, थोड़ा बताएंगे?
Yes, sir. It's been, I think, 1.5 year.
जी.
And it was the day started when we started with the foundations and all. And जैसे जैसे हमारी journey होती गई, it was the first day I remember कि I was like to sir, सर यू चोज मी, मैं कैसे करूंगी? इट वॉज माई फर्स्ट लाइन कि सर यू चोज मी एंड वाई मी, एंड मैं कैसे करूंगी? ऐसा करते नो, देखना फर्स्ट डे था, इतना भी कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था कि शायद मैं अपना इंट्रोडक्शन भी आगे दे सकूं। इट वॉज लाइक दैट कि एक इंट्रोडक्शन के लिए सामने आने के लिए। और जैसे जैसे वो जर्नी आगे चलती गई एंड द वे यू गाइडेड अस सर, इट वाज अमेजिंग कि जो हमें नॉलेज मिली है, जो विजडम आपने दिया है, और हाउ टू बी इन द क्लास, वो एक कॉन्फिडेंस ही अलग है। एंड नाउ अब तो बिल्कुल ऐसा लगता है कि इट्स रियली वी आर अ ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड पर्सन, एंड आई हैव नो वर्ड्स एक्चुअली।
Correct, correct. Varsha ji, what about you? Any memories from your training part?
Very much, sir, very much.
Other than gifts, huh?
No, I think, sir, I remember very clearly when you were guiding us. There were times when, I would say, sir, we know you should do this, sir, we should do this, we should do this. I would always say, patience, patience, learn to wait, learn to breathe. And that is one thing that I learned because it does not come easy. Weekends we are with sir, we are working all weekends, all our evenings are with sir, and it is very rewarding, but you have to have a lot of patience. That's one very important lesson that I learned from you is have patience, learn to breathe, don't jump. There are nothing that you can jump. You have to go through every single phase of training. There is nothing that you can jump. So that's a beautiful learning I've had, and it is very rewarding at the end of it. That, yes, of course.
एट द एंड द फीलिंग वी आर हैविंग वो एक सर का था कि फोकस, हार्ड वर्क, फोकस एंड पेशेंस, 3 वर्ड्स। बस हमने साल 1.5 साल वो ही रखा है। एंड
अभी अभी
And-
थोड़ा थोड़ा कुछ दिख रहा है अभी, एक साल भर 1.5 साल पेशेंस के बाद, ओके। बट हर कोई को नहीं जमता ये पेशेंस, राइट? सो लेट अस ऑल गिव साक्षी एंड वर्षा also a big round of applause, right? Because they have really worked hard, they are continuously working hard and they will need to keep working hard. Okay, ठीक है, excellent. So I'm very proud of both of them and I'm going to be very proud of a lot of you also. ठीक है, those who are going to take this journey also. So this is also another income opportunity, right? To come up ahead and learn and get trained and unlock so many aspects of yourself, right? जो आपको भी मालूम नहीं था, अरे ये मेरे अंदर है, right? ये एनर्जी मेरे अंदर है, right? I am sure both of them have seen so many things unlocking with inside them also. How many of you agree कि ये teaching itself is a healing for ourselves also? Correct, no? Right? So similar things will happen with all of you. Okay, so this is another important, so we are looking for a lot of teachers. Lot of teachers, right? For example, आपने इतने सारे subjects के नाम लिए, correct? एक simple example आपको दूं ना, तो हर एक subject के लिए ना 2-2 trainers की जरूरत है. Are you understanding? Right? एक नॉर्थ इंडिया में सिखाएगा, एक साउथ इंडिया में सिखाएगा. Right? It is as simple as that. Okay? So, आपके चार्ट के हिसाब से, आपके न्यूमरोलॉजी के हिसाब से या आपके ग्राफोलॉजी के हिसाब से जो भी आपकी स्ट्रेंथ्स है, राइट, वो एक बार हमारी पकड़ में आ जाएंगे ना, फिर वी नो हाउ टू ग्रूम यू, राइट? वी नो हाउ टू ट्रेन यू, वी नो हाउ टू गिव यू द रिक्वायर्ड प्लेटफॉर्म, राइट? Okay, Sandeep ji, ठीक है, right? So we need a lot of teachers, we need a lot of trainers, right? अपने occult में ही कितने 20 subjects आराम से होंगे, ज्यादा ही होंगे एक्चुअली, राइट? आपने ही चैट बॉक्स में बड़ी लिस्ट बताई थी, राइट? तो उसको मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 और 3 कर दो, करेक्ट, राइट? तो दैट मेनी नंबर ऑफ ट्रेनर्स वी आर वांटिंग टू क्रिएट, ठीक है, राइट? एंड उसके लिए आपको भी मेहनत करनी पड़ी, हम तो करते ही है, राइट? हम भी करेंगे, राइट? आप भी करना, एंड विल रीच आउट टू लॉट ऑफ पीपल, राइट? ये चीज मैं बार बार बोलूंगा क्योंकि मेरी जिंदगी का थीम वही है, राइट? मेरी पर्सनल लाइफ में कुछ भी चलता रहे, राइट? व्हेन इट कम्स टू वर्क, व्हेन इट कम्स टू doing the foundation or doing the levels, right? Level 1, level 2, level 3 जो भी है, when it comes to that, right? I am like, नहीं, अभी बाकी सब साइड में रखो, let us focus here now, right? वो तो सबके life में होने वाला है, and it takes a lot of patience, it takes a lot of courage, it takes a lot of attitude, right? It takes a lot of right attitude at the right time. तो जो develop होगा, right? So that is why, we are always keeping an open eye on all of you. ठीक है? How is everyone behaving in every situation, right? हमारे आंखें सब जगह पे होती है, राइट? और जैसे जैसे हमारे ट्रेनर्स बढ़ेंगे, हमारी आंखें भी मल्टीप्लाई होती जाएंगी, राइट? राइट, सो वी आर ऑब्जर्विंग वेरी वेरी माइन्यूट थिंग्स ऑल्सो, ठीक है? और मैं तो मेरे प्रेजेंटेशन में आपको बताता ही हूँ कि ये सारी चीजें सिखाने के लिए मैं फीस नहीं लेता हूँ, बट आई एम गोइंग टू चूज यू, राइट? डू यू रिमेम्बर दैट पार्ट, राइट? सो आई एम गोइंग टू चूज यू. बहुत मेहनत है, राइट? 1.5 साल की हमारी भी मेहनत है आपके पीछे, राइट? 1-1.5 साल की, राइट? सो वी आर गोइंग टू चूज यू, ठीक है? So be very very respectful for everyone, be very very respectful to each other also, right? Be very very respectful towards your gurus, right? Be very very patience also, right? That is also very very important. Understood? So this is another income part, and so many different avenues, right? So for example, on the income front also, right, there is one more very very exciting thing. I think Dr. Mitali should declare that, and that is the products part, right? That is the see, trainings content part is one part, the other part is the products part. So over to you, Dr. Mitali, again. So please go ahead.
Thank you, Dr. Sudhir. So apart from the occult subjects like जैसे हमने discuss किए कि astrology, graphology, palmistry, tarot, angelic card healers, past life regression, spiritual healing, ये सब में भले आप healing कीजिए या फिर training कीजिए, we are developing, like I myself developing some products like energize candles, energizing stones, okay, some products which we can energize for a specific switch word, okay. So you just have to chant all the time. आप कहीं पे भी रख दोगे. For example, I'm designing a paperweight with some switch word. Suppose, for example, now I'm working on for kids, okay, for them to focus on, okay. So there are a few material where we can create a design for the focusing or the symbol for a focus, okay, energy symbol for the focus, and it will work like a paperweight for kids. Okay? You can just use as a paperweight on their book or somewhere. Even if they keep seeing them visually, they will receive that energy. Interesting. Okay, similarly, we are developing the candles also, chakras candles. There are different symbol candles. Okay, so we are developing this particular range. Then we are developing keychains with the occult specialty. Then we are developing t-shirts, angelic t-shirts. We are developing chakra t-shirts. We are developing couple t-shirts, okay, to make your relationship harmony. How many of you are feeling this is very excited? Just let me know in the chat box, excited. And so these are different products we are developing, and this is a big list, okay, like wall hanging for a symbol to protect from the negative energy, to attract positive energy, okay. So printed bed sheets for chakras, या फिर आसन for your meditation, okay. So these are, and that will be already energized. Okay, so all these products we are developing. It's a big list. Both of us are working on it. So we have big opportunities. Yes, Sandeep ji, we have a lot of opportunities over here. Or do you, Dr. Sudhir?
Okay. So lot of business, correct, very true, right? Lot of business, lot of opportunities, right? So you'll get opportunities to become the partner or a product partner or something like that, Oops. Okay, so कैसे लग रहा है ये सारा? Do you feel the energy of everything that we are coming up with? Okay, so that is also there. And absolutely, some of you are very much interested in lot of research and development. Yes. So we are on the way to, we are already in talks with the government and all of that. So since it's going to be a university and all, ये तो थोड़ा सा बड़ा गोल है, बहुत बड़ा गोल है, right? आप सब लोगों का साथ लगेगा उसमें, right? So we definitely dream to have a big institute of ours, right? Uh, and nice building of ours, right? A nice, location, nice land parcel and all of that, nice university for all of these things, and definitely a lot of opportunities for all of you to, come there and do your research, right? And ultimately spread the entire beauty of occult with the entire world, right? So a lot of research development opportunities also we are going to look at. Certifications and all, definitely yes, वो सारा भी आ ही जाएगा, doctorate, right? PhD, right? And so we are just working on it. ठीक है, तो इसमें से सारे आधे आप बोल सकते हो कि वी आर ऑलरेडी अंडर प्रोसेस विद 50% ऑफ द थिंग्स, राइट? वी आर ऑलरेडी वर्किंग ऑन इट. आप बोल सकते हो 50% इज बिग ड्रीम्स दैट वी आर सीइंग, राइट, फॉर एवरी वन ऑफ अस, राइट? सो ये सारा चीज है, राइट, इन दिस एंटायर ओम यूनिवर्सिटी. ठीक है. Ultimate benefits, right? It's all about freedom and independence for all of you, right? None of you should feel stuck. होता है ना कभी कभी, अरे हाथ में पैसा नहीं है, you are dependent on someone else, right? वो नहीं होना चाहिए, correct? So that is one of the goals. ठीक है. अरे हाथ में काम नहीं है, right? Then you become dependent on someone else. Then again you are stuck, right? So it's not freedom, it's not independence at all. So that is one of the ultimate benefits, right? That we are foreseeing for all of you, helping people throughout the country and the world, right? I hope you are all ready for that also, right? So this is the entire thing, and what we are going to do is we are going to share a community link of Om University in the chat box. Okay, so either Sakshi or Varsha can do it. I'll send the link to you, and then you please send it in the chat box. Okay, and I want everyone to start joining that. Okay, it's just a community. You will not be able to interact or all. Right now, we'll just start with announcements part. Okay, we'll start with the announcements part right now. And slowly, steadily, we'll be migrating our entire communities under the banner of Om University. Okay? So that is what we are going to do. So you will see the link to join the WhatsApp community also in a few moments in the chat box. And I am also sending it to all of you in the community of ours. Dr. Mitali will send it in her community also. Correct. So now henceforth everything is under the banner of Om University. Right? So please remember that. थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा माइग्रेशन के लिए, तो पूरा माइग्रेशन आई थिंक इट विल टेक अस अनदर एंटायर 1 year, okay, to migrate everything to the new platform, new systems and under new banners and all. तब तक आपके जो कोर्सेज आपके जिस ऐप में है जैसे चल रहे वैसे ही चलेंगे. ठीक है. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, राइट? आपके एक्सेस को कोई इशू नहीं होगा. जो प्रॉमिस 30 years का एक्सेस है वो सारा वैसे ही रहेगा, राइट? बीच में एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा जब विल बी शिफ्टिंग द प्लेटफॉर्म ऑल्सो, राइट? तो उस टाइम पे यू विल गेट ईमेलर्स, यू विल गेट योर एक्सेस डिटेल्स ओवर व्हाट्सएप एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट ऑल ऑफ द माइग्रेशन पार्ट. लेकिन 1 साल का समय रहेगा पूरा जहाँ पे वी आर गोइंग टू माइग्रेट from our individual SOP brand, individual MGA brand to a one big Om University brand. All right. तो ये भी होगा. ठीक है. So please let me know how, any ideas you have, how are you feeling about this, क्या लग रहा है आप लोगों को? Please go ahead, you can, unmute yourself and you can share.
राधे राधे सर।
अच्छा लग रहा है, okay, great. राधे राधे।
Amazing to know
मतलब ये
about the university.
फीलिंग भी बहुत अमेजिंग है सर।
Excited, sir. So
मतलब
nice.
ऑकल्ट साइड पे ऐसी कभी फीलिंग हुई नहीं थी कि इस तरह की यूनिवर्सिटी भी होगी जो
जी
इस तरह का प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करेगी और इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज देगी। कोई
जी।
नहीं करता सर, इतना कोई नहीं करता, इतना मैं 100% श्योर हूँ।
अच्छा, थैंक यू सो
जितना
मच।
आपने ये बनाए हैं कंटेंट्स, मेरे ख्याल से IM50+ बहुत लोगों को देखा है, मगर इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज, इतने कंटेंट्स इन द एंटायर वर्ल्ड, मैं इतना कह सकता हूँ पूरा नहीं देता कोई सर, कोई नहीं देता।
थैंक यू संदीप जी, थैंक यू सो मच।
Yeah, very
Amazing
happy to
idea,
be
sir.
associated with a great university, Home University. And we are the first people to get associated.
Yes, yes,
Thank you.
all
Thank you
of
for
you,
that.
all of you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah.
सभी
हेलो
अपनी जेबें
सर।
भरने में
हेलो
रहता
सर
है,
एंड
इतना
मैम,
कोई नहीं सोचता है।
ये बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है मैम, अंडर वन रूफ, लाइक वेरी एक्साइटेड टू लुक फॉरवर्ड।
Thank you.
सर द चांस, मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज थी, BBA किया, MBA किया, फिर कुछ भी नहीं किया। अब लग रहा है कि कुछ कर रहे हैं। एक अच्छा चांस मिला है दोबारा से लाइफ में।
जी जी जी।
एक
सर
अच्छा
हमने सोचा नहीं था कि आज पास आउट कराएंगे
Innovative
हमें।
idea है आपका.
अब फर्स्ट टाइम लग रहा है अपने इंटरेस्ट के लेवल में कुछ किया है और कर भी रहे हैं आगे।
करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट।
और
एक
सर ये
नया
हम ये सर ये आगे बहुत हमको ग्रोथ भी दिख रहा है सर, इसका फ्यूचर भी दिख रहा है। बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा सर सुन के आज, बहुत
वेरी
एक्साइटेड भी हैं हम सर। थैंक यू सर।
सबसे
और
अच्छी बात है सर, ये नई जनरेशन को अट्रैक्ट करेगा, क्योंकि जो एक है ना कि अपने अध्यात्म में जो फियर था, फियरलेस कम्युनिटी बन रही है। एक जो एक मतलब मैं तो ओम को देख के भाव भी हो रहा हूँ, बीच में मुझे बालाजी भगवान ही दिख रहे हैं ओम के अंदर और उसके साथ दो महान गुरु दिख रहे हैं। अभी तक मैं
जी
उससे नहीं उभरी हूँ, लेकिन हाँ ये है कि जैसे हम लोग ग्राफोलॉजी से एक एक अल्फाबेट से पर्सनालिटी समझते हुए ओवरकम होके आए, फिर आपसे एस्ट्रो में जुड़ी और वहां से अपने ग्रह को समझ के जो मॉडिफिकेशन हो रहा है ना कि हाँ म्यूजिक संगीत, वो फ्यूजन कॉम्बिनेशन नई जनरेशन। मैं बताती हूँ ना, मेरी बेटी डॉक्टर, सबको उनको बताती हूँ जब ग्राफोलॉजी एस्ट्रो, अच्छा इतनी वो ओपन माइंडेड होती है। हम तो बहुत समझते थे कि डर है। तब मैं बहुत हैप्पी हूँ कि इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे मुझे आने का अवसर मिला और एक ये न्यू ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, और हम अपने अध्यात्म को नए तरीके से न्यू जनरेशन तक पहुंचाएंगे। गूज़बम्स है सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
और सर हम सब बहुत नसीब वाले हैं सर, ऐसे हमको मिला है और ऐसे आगे बहुत सारे ग्रोथ भी हमको दिख रहा है। बहुत खुश है सर आज, बहुत
Sir,
सारे।
मुझे
yeah,
मुझे
I second that, sir. I mean, I feel we are really blessed and fortunate, and it is not coincidence, but destiny has brought us in connect with you, in touch with you. So really looking forward to transformation, life transformation. I feel really blessed.
थैंक यू सो
थैंक यू
मच।
मित्तली मैम, थैंक यू सुधीर सर, एंड हैप्पी बर्थडे
ये मेरे
सुधीर
ख्याल
सर।
से
थैंक यू।
सभी
गुड
पेरेंट्स
मॉर्निंग।
अपने बच्चों पे नाच करते हैं। मेरे ख्याल से इससे ज्वाइन करने के बाद ना सभी बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स पे नाच करेंगे।
गुरुजी प्रणाम।
प्रणाम प्रणाम अमित जी।
गुरुजी मैं कई वेबिनार ज्वाइन किया था, मुझे परमानेंटली कहीं सीखना था ये न्यूरोलॉजी। मैं बहुत सौभाग्यशाली महसूस करता हूँ कि मुझे एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिला। साक्षी जी जो मित्तल जी, जो हमारे गुरु जी को हमने बनाया है, उनका समझाने पढ़ाने का तरीका बहुत ही बेहतरीन था सर। मैं बहुत सौभाग्यशाली महसूस करता हूँ कि हमको एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिला जहाँ से मुझे सीखने की, मुझे कहीं ना कहीं सीखना था सर। मैं करीब 8 दिन से तलाश कर रहा था सर।
ओके अमित जी, थैंक यू सो
Thank you
मच।
so much.
ओके। और आप में से कुछ लोग पूछ रहे थे सर कोई प्रोडक्ट ऑलरेडी कुछ बना है क्या, कोई मतलब ऐसा फोटो है क्या, कुछ दिखा सकते हैं क्या, राइट? तो जस्ट एक फोटो मेरे सामने आया था, ठीक है। सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट वी हैव डिजाइन्ड, ठीक है। आपको दिख रही है इमेज? नहीं दिख रही है ना? ओके, होल्ड ऑन जस्ट 1 मिनट. ओके.
तब दिस ओम लोगो इज सो मच अट्रैक्टिंग कि इसके अलावा कुछ नजर ही नहीं आ रहा.
ओके,
बहुत अच्छा था.
ये देखिए, राइट, these are candles, right? And Dr. Mitali can explain more about this.
Thank you. So these are candles and ये जो symbols आप देख रहे हो, so these particular symbol is for each chakra. अभी आप देख पा रहे होंगे कि each symbol has a different specific color. Okay. And so जैसे कि रूट चक्रा के लिए रेड कलर है, सैक्रल के लिए देयर इज ऑरेंज कलर. सो each symbol is for particular chakra. जो symbol जिस कैंडल पे है, that particular candle has been energized for that particular chakra. And इस तरह से energize किया हुआ है कि even if you just look at the candle while burning and थोड़ा सा focus symbol पे करोगे, you will be able to receive that energy. And there are few students from my community has already experiencing this कि how symbol का energy body में literally enter करता है, and that symbol energy is able to heal their pain also. Symbol energy is able to heal their relationship challenges also. So this is how one of the product, this is not even 1%, this is not even 0.1%. So we are developing big range of symbols, we are developing big range of switch words. So work is under process.
थैंक यू सो मच. एंड अनदर पॉइंट, इसमें और एक चीज मतलब याद आ रही है. आप लोगों ने अभी समझा है कि हम किस दिशा में जा रहे हैं और क्या क्या हमारे दिमाग में आ रहा है. आप लोगों की कुछ एक्सपर्टीज अगर होगी जो इसके साथ अलाइन हो रही है, राइट, सेंड मी अ मैसेज, सेंड डॉक्टर मिताली अ मैसेज, राइट. क्योंकि ये पूरी चीजें ना सिर्फ हम दोनों के बारे में या हम चारों के बारे में, इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट, राइट. इट्स अ यूनिवर्सिटी जहाँ पे सबका योगदान होगा, राइट. और हमें ऐसे ही चाहिए, अंडरस्टूड, राइट, कि मतलब आपकी कोई खूबी है, राइट, वो ये नहीं होनी चाहिए, राइट, वेस्ट नहीं जानी चाहिए, राइट. कभी कभी होता है ना, आपका लर्निंग हुआ, ग्रेजुएशन हुआ सिविल इंजीनियरिंग में, राइट, लेकिन फिर अभी आप प्रोफेशन कर रहे हो अकल्ट साइंसेस में, लेकिन उस सिविल इंजीनियरिंग का जो एक्सपर्टीज है वो भी तो कहीं ना कहीं यूज होना चाहिए. करेक्ट है. तो अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी का स्ट्रक्चर मैंने ऑलरेडी इमेजिन करके रखा हुआ है, राइट. उसका प्लानिंग ऑलरेडी दिमाग में तैयार है, राइट. अंडरस्टूड. सो वो मेरा एक्सपर्टीज है. अंडरस्टूड, राइट. जैसे डॉक्टर मिताली का एक्सपर्टीज इज ऑल्सो अबाउट फैशन एंड फैशन इंडस्ट्री, गारमेंट्स इंडस्ट्री, राइट. तो शी वाज लाइक, अरे वी कैन डू प्रोडक्ट्स ऑल्सो, राइट. वी हैव कनेक्शंस ऑल ओवर द कंट्री. अंडरस्टूड. तो ये सारी चीज करने के लिए ना हम अकेले नहीं कर सकते, ये हमें मालूम है. एंड वी आर अवेयर अबाउट इट, वी आर एक्सेप्टिंग इट. अंडरस्टूड, राइट. और अच्छा भी है ना जब सब हम साथ में मिलकर हमारी हमारी एक्सपर्टीज को यूज करके, राइट, इफ वी आर गोइंग टू रीच अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, राइट, एंड ऑल ऑफ अस आर गोइंग टू मोनेटाइज आवर एक्सपर्टीज ऑल्सो. करेक्ट. सो आई थिंक इससे बड़ी विन 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 सिचुएशन और क्या हो सकती है. इज एवरीबॉडी अंडरस्टैंडिंग, राइट. सो अगर आपके दिमाग में ऐसा कुछ आइडिया आता है, ऐसा कोई एक्सपर्टीज आपका है जिसको हम यूज कर सकते हैं, यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं, फील फ्री टू शेयर योर आइडियाज. ठीक है. जरूरी नहीं कि इमीडिएटली इंप्लीमेंट करना चालू करेंगे, राइट, वैसे जरूरी नहीं है, लेकिन एक आइडिया आप शेयर करके रखोगे, एक हमारे बैक ऑफ द माइंड रहेगी. और हर एक चीज का एक योग होता है, करेक्ट. एंड दैट मोमेंट इटसेल्फ, राइट, वी विल पिक अप दैट आइडिया, वी विल स्टार्ट. अंडरस्टूड, राइट. हो सकता है यू बिकम हेड ऑफ सम डिपार्टमेंट, राइट, हु नोस, We never know, right? That is why we are calling this as a university, right? जहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें, अलग अलग चीजें, right? We can come into this, right? Okay. Any more comments, anybody?
सर ये जो ओम का जो लिखा हुआ है ना सर, उसको देख
जी
के एक बस स्पिरिचुअलिटी उसको देख के ही आ जा रहा है, मतलब बहुत अट्रैक्ट आ रहा है वो ओम यूनिवर्सिटी को देख के सर।
Okay. Okay.
Sir, firstly, though, I'm impressed with your humble approach. It's really a humble approach, and I joined it lately, so I'm not aware of the facts of things. But I'll get it from Mitali, ma'am.
Sure,
And
sure.
wish you all the best. I can say
Thank you so much, Padma ji.
yes.
सर एक इस पे फीलिंग आ रही है ओम के लोगों से, तिरुपति बालाजी का जैसे उनके है तिरुपति बालाजी के मस्तक पर,
जी जी
बिल्कुल
जी
इसको देखने वाले ध्यान से लोगों तो बिल्कुल ऐसे लगता है कि वी आर सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट।
जी जी जी।
गुड इवनिंग सर।
वेरी गुड इवनिंग राम जी।
बहुत अच्छा लगा सर। और मैं साक्षी मैडम से पूछा भी था, मेरे को लोगो डिजाइन के बारे में मैं काफी दिनों से नेट पे भी सर्च कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को कोर्स भी करना है। मैंने
जी
आज तक उभरा हुआ लोगो किसी भी कंपनी का नहीं देखा है, और जो मैंने अभी तक नेट पे सर्च किया ना, उभरा हुआ लोगो एक अलग ही उभरता है आगे जाके।
जी
तो बहुत खुशी है, और हम एयूएम के साथ के पार्ट होंगे, और बेस्ट ऑफ लक इन एडवांस।
आप लोगों को भी, राइट? इट्स ऑल क्यूमुलेटिव, वी आर ऑल टुगेदर इन दिस, राइट? Okay. So on that note, I'm going to hand it over to Varsha ji, right? She has some final things to say with all of you, and then probably engage you also a little bit more, right? And before I hand it over to Varsha ji, I'm going to ask Dr. Mitali if she has anything more to share, and then we can hand it over to Varsha ji. Okay, over to you, Dr. Mitali.
Sir, once more happy birthday.
आई एम हियर ओनली, जान ही रहा हूँ। ओके, ये फॉर्मल मीटिंग खत्म करेंगे, इनफॉर्मल मीटिंग भी करेंगे, डोंट वरी। ओके, जिनको टाइम है यू कैन स्टे, ठीक है? सो ओवर टू यू डॉक्टर मिताली।
Okay, thank you, Dr. Sudhir. So guys, बहुत बड़ा सपना देखा है हमने, and yes, as he said, this is not very easy, but this is not even impossible अगर हम साथ में आके करें. Okay, so training is one part, consultation is one of the part, doing healing is one of the part, teaching healing is one of the part. Okay, apart from that, the products. Okay, अभी suppose for example इंडिया की आबादी कितनी है, अगर हमको एक महीने में 50,000 कैंडल्स के भी ऑर्डर आ जाते हैं, we need to have that capacity, right? कोई एक बंदा बैठ के तो 50,000 कैंडल्स नहीं बना सकता, right? So maybe if your specialty in that, you can teach people how to make the candle so that we can create that trade. तो अगर थोड़ा सा deeply सोचेंगे ना, we are going to create employment also for the nation. Okay, so ultimately we are going to help the nation also. I just give you the example of one product. Okay, so apart from training, कैसे ना, there are some of you from my community, there are some of you are graphologists, some of you are logo analysis, some of you are chakra healer, okay, some of you are astrologers. सब्जेक्ट समझना एक बात होती है, अप्लाई करना दूसरी बात होती है, समझ के सीखाना तो बहुत तीसरी बात होती है। Am I right in saying? Okay, मतलब जब हम सिखाते ना कोई भी सब्जेक्ट, तब बहुत बार ऐसे लगता है, एंड आई एम श्योर साक्षी एंड वर्षा जी विल आल्सो अग्री कि व्हेनेवर वी आर टीचिंग ना, अंदर से ऐसे लगता है ये तो मैं भी नया सीख रही हूँ, ये तो मैं भी नया सीख रही हूँ। ओके, एवरी टाइम एवरी मोमेंट इज लाइक दिस। ओके, सो व्हेनेवर वी आर ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग अदर्स लाइफ ना, उनका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होगा कि नहीं पता नहीं, वो तो उनके कर्मास पे डिपेंड है, लेकिन अपना ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन 100% होते रहता है। I'm doing lot of healings, I'm doing lot of therapies now. Definitely my students' lives is getting transformed. पर हर एक थेरेपी में, हर एक थेरेपी is a different case study for me. Okay, वो केस स्टडी को लेके जो सीखते हैं ना, हमको लाइफ लेसन मिलता है ना, वो आपको ना किसी कोर्स से मिलेगा, ना वो आपको किसी बुक में से मिलेगा, ना ही आपको कोई और सिखा सकता है, जो आप खुद आपके प्रैक्टिस में से सीखोगे। Okay, so this is going to be a big opportunity. There are a lot of things we are going to do. Okay, so think about it. and we all love you, and we all want you with us in this home community so that we can walk very long and we can build this community super big. Okay, thank you so much, and over to Varsha.
Thank you, Mithali ma'am. And I know for a fact that all of us are like super, super, super duper charged now, and we are so excited. So much is coming our way. And believe me when I say it, like how Sir said, it is all possible. I started off like all of you, a student 2 years back. And that was a time in my life when I was looking for answers. I was looking for answers in my life. And that's when I landed with Sir. That was the end of my search. And with Sir, I started learning astrology. And with that, I have gone through a wonderful journey of understanding planets. I tell all my students as well, it's a beautiful journey. You're understanding planets and you're understanding the stars, you're understanding the sky. It's so beautiful because with all of this, I see a portal of answers that I have with me. It's an answer portal. Whatever I'm looking for, it's right here in my hand. That is the kind of connect that I'm able to build with my planets. And this has helped me, go further. And like Sir always says, hard work, there is no substitute to hard work. And somewhere Sir was able to see a little bit of spark. He has pulled me, he has given me his hand, I've held on to it, and he has taken me through this beautiful journey. I have learned so much from him, and oh, it has been amazing. It's a transformation in itself. Words fail to express. And he always says, focus and dedication. Nothing else. Hard work, focus, and dedication. And this has become like our mantra. We follow it, we hold on to it. It's our mantra. We are walking side by side with Sir. And today I'm standing in front of you as a salsa trainer. And in Tamil, I take classes in Tamil. And I feel so proud when I'm sharing the stage with all of you here as a trainer. And believe me, all of you can be here with us. And just like Sir promised, just embark on this journey. There is so much, and there's so much beyond all of our understanding at this point in time. Let me tell you, and like Mithali ma'am rightly said, you start teaching, another big whole portal opens up because you have not looked at it from that perspective. And when perspectives change, believe me, life changes. Life changes, and it is so beautiful after that. And I stand before you with a lot of happiness, with a lot of pride, and with a lot of belief that this is the future for all of us. And I invite all of you to embark on this journey. And I know all of you are excited, and all of you want to be with us. And if you have anything, any doubts as of now, what is all of this? What is it going to do for me? Throw it all out. It's going to do a lot for all of us. Just trust the process. Trust the process. Go with the flow, and you will see amazing, amazing things happening. We are all live examples in front of you. So believe in Sir, believe in Mithali ma'am, and take your step forward. And I know all of you are excited. You've already shared all your excitement, and keep the excitement going. Keep all this energy going. Keep the trust, and keep moving forward. If there's anything else you would like to share at this point in time, you could go ahead and share it with all of us, because we love to hear from all of you. And as a community, we are all growing. Remember that we are a family. We grow together, and we are all here to support each other. Always remember that. And if you want to share anything at this point in time, you could definitely give us some feedback on this. So then I'll hand over the stage to you, sir.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. Okay, so on this note, this is it for today. Okay, officially. Okay, so we declare officially that we are now all under Om University. Okay, so congratulations to all of you also. Okay, and the official meeting has closed.